Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is your girl CP Farida, and in today's video I'm gonna be doing a simple renovation of my bedroom. So first thing first, I removed everything from the duvet, the carpet and my paintings, etc. So the thing is, I'm gonna be mostly just focusing on my bed, on the floor and the wall itself, and I'm gonna be putting the lamp back and the paintings back. The main reason I'm moving the bed towards the corner is to use it as a footstool. I think it's easier to do that than dragging a chair left, right and center if I want to do things on the wall. So the bed will be the main footstool and I think it will be easier that way. So the next step, I'm going to be putting some decorations on the wall, and I'm planning to put some fairy lights and a bit of paintings. I'm going to use the same colored tape as the wall to stick up the fairy lights, which I recommend to use because with this you don't need to use some other sticking on material that's gonna ruin your wall, and maybe on a later date I want to change the design of the fairy lights. So I think the same colored sticker with the wall is the best idea. These are the pictures that I'm planning to use. I got them in IKEA. I'm just going to use them like that. But what I saw in IKEA, if you put them in frames, they look even much better. But my idea is just to stick them like that. I think there are 8 in total, but I'm going to be using 4. I really like them because I can play around them, rearrange it, etc, etc, etc. Maybe in a later date, I want to change my duvets or pillows, it will still gonna match, so I really like them. I really like this carpet. I like the color. It's so cozy and warm. I just love sticking my feet inside it. The next thing is the pillows and duvets. I think I got them from different places. I think the duvet I got it from Amazon, and the pillows I got it from Red Tag. The room looks much more brighter. So I actually forgot to put the room back the same design that I wanted it. So this is the beginning outcome and this is the final outcome after I put the lampshade and the paintings back. So let me know how you guys find it. Is it something I could have done better? Is there something that you're curious about, like where I got this stuff? Let me know down in the comment section below. Thank you and goodbye for now.